Hey guys, welcome back to another tiny unboxing. As you know, I am a Mi Band user. As you can see here, my Mi Band 8, and I do have my Mi Band 7 here. As you can see, still working, and Mi Band 6, and my Mi Band 4 and 5 already broken, but I do have all those bands still with me. Here I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Now, as you know, I am a Samsung user right now, but this band is actually not for me. My Mi Band 8 is still working pretty well. I have no issue with that. But if I have to upgrade my Mi Band, I will not buy another Mi Band actually. I will rather buy Huawei Band 10. Even instead of buying Galaxy Fit 3, I would rather buy Huawei Band 10. I think for me that's much better because Huawei is well known for step count and sleep monitoring, all those things. Those are much better on Huawei Band 10 than like Fit 3 or Mi Band 10. So I'd rather buy that band. But here, this one is for my friend actually. So he is also a Samsung user. I did tell him to buy Huawei Band 10, but he said he will go with Fit 3. And Fit 3 is also quite good actually. And it's good for Samsung user. So as you can see here, Galaxy Fit 3, and this band is going around for $35. And if you buy Huawei Band 10, which is around $30 if you buy the metal build, but for plastic build you can get it for around $25. And Mi Band 10 is also going for similar price. All these bands are kind of in similar price, so you can choose whatever you like. I personally like Mi Band, but as I said, the accuracy of Mi Band isn't really that good, so I would rather buy Huawei Band 10 instead of buying like Galaxy Fit 3 or even Mi Band 10. So maybe I have to cut here. Yes, so I did order like black one, so we got the black one. Samsung Fit 3. The build is quite good actually, and the silicone is quite nice. Let's see what we are getting. And the magnetic charger is here, and few manuals and everything, kind of useless. So main thing is here, as you can see, it looks nice, pretty good actually. So let's try to turn it on. Yeah, it is turning on. By the way, this one got actually AMOLED panel and 60Hz panel, which is quite good. But if you buy Huawei Band 10, that is 30Hz. But I don't really like find it any useful like 60Hz display. I'm not going to do anything on this like watch. It's only for like, notification and health monitoring. Rather than that, I'm not going to use the band at all. So putting a 60Hz display on this kind of band, I find it useless. Obviously it's going to feel a little smoother than 30Hz, but it will reduce battery backup, so I don't find it any useful. If you turn it on, you will see like option to connect the device. So if I press connect, so now it is like downloading the software, and we can allow, can confirm. This pen actually feels nice, so it is updating the software. Updating is done, so we got few option here. Agree, allow. It does look like a Apple Watch type of thing, as you can see. So there are few options. Next, 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 By the way, this one is running on RTOS, which is available on other smartwatches. So not really something unique. They are not using One UI here. So, but it still looks like One UI. So as you can see here, the icons and everything, that looks like One UI. So we do get few options here like health, media control. So if I press on media control, as you can see here, the immediately, and we can like use camera remote feature. So camera is turned on and you can take picture. So these are quite useful feature if you have like Samsung device. I heard this feature doesn't work if you are using other devices like Xiaomi or Huawei or other devices. This feature are not going to work, but other things like health tracking and all those things will work. We do get calculator here, tiny, and in the setting it feels pretty smooth. Like as I said, it got 60 Hz display, and we got vibration and vibration strength and few things in display. So adaptive brightness is available, as you can see here, always on display and few other things. Privacy, general, and about brand. So it will be great. So as you can see here, software information, status information, and few other things. So we do get a lot of option here. In the health monitoring, we do get Samsung health option here, as you can see, like step count, exercise, workouts, food, heart rate, stress, cycle tracking, and blood oxygen level. So a lot actually, and weather info and everything. In the device, we do get few face, as you can see here. Looks nice. And if we check the application, maybe it got few other face wearable. So watch faces. Oh, there are tons of them, as you can see here. I don't know you can play games on this or not, because on Mi Band 10 you can play games. That's good. Tiles, so you can customize a lot of things. Even notification panel also, and Find My Band, so it does vibrate. So quite nice band, and kind of nice looking, as you can see, and the display is also looking good. And I do find like Mi Band look nicer on my hand, and that's why actually I don't really prefer this kind of band over this kind of pill-shaped band. So if I have to buy one, I will definitely buy Huawei Band 10 over Mi Band 10 or Galaxy Fit 3. Anyway, if you want to buy this one is also quite good option. Looks nice, and you can detach the band quite easily, as you can see here. And charger is also here. Pretty much good, no issue at all. So that's all about Samsung Fit 3. Quite nice band, and not for me. I don't really like this shape. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.